Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix taskbar not showing in Windows 11. By following the few simple steps that I show you now, you'll be able to fix taskbar not showing in Windows 11 very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, go to the task manager, expand the screen, and here in the processes, scroll down. Then you'll be able to see the option of Windows Explorer and do the right click on it and then tap on restart. And after restarting, then you will be able to see the taskbar has appeared. And if that doesn't work, then go to the settings. And here on the settings, tap on the personalizations and scroll down and tap on the taskbar. And here, tap on the taskbar behaviors. Then you'll be able to see the option of automatically hide the taskbar. Make sure that you have unchecked that and you'll be able to see the taskbar on your computer. And if that doesn't work, then again go to the task manager, expand the screen and tap on the run new task. And here you have to enter CMD and tap on this little square box which says create this task with administrative privileges and tap on OK and it will open the command prompt. And here you have to enter SFC space and slash scan now and tap on enter, then it will scan your computer, and if there is any corruptions then it will fix it. And after scanning you have to restart your computer and you'll be able to notice that your taskbar has appeared on your computer. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.